Next is brand. This is where you can save your fonts, colors, and logo so you can use them in future projects without having to find them again. To create a new brand, click Create Brand. Then you can either set it up manually or use the new option to create it from a file. If you choose that, it will open a browser window where you upload a file, and Adobe will try to find the colors, fonts, and other brand elements in it. Let's create from scratch. Click Create Brand, then give it a name. Now you have the brand assets on the Edit panel. You can start from the home page of the panel and click the plus to add any asset, or you can click on the tabs to find what you want to add. For example, if you want to add a color palette for your brand, click Color. Then you need to give it a name, or you can leave it blank. Add your colors by clicking the first option and finding the color you want to use. You can also write the hex code if you have one, or use the color picker. Once your colors are added, you can go to a design and click Apply Brand, and it will change the colors on the page. The same goes for fonts. If you have a design that you want to save as a template for your brand, you need to be in that project. Then click on Templates and choose Add New. You'll see some fields to fill out so you can save this as a template to use in the future. Give it a name, put it in a specific folder. If you don't choose one, it will stay in the brand you're editing now. You can also add a description to help you remember what this template is for. There are more things you can do with Adobe Express, and you can watch the next video to get inspired. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.